Hello and welcome to Yoga Where You're At. Today we are at the Dinosaur Center, the Dinosaur Center in Thermopolis, Wyoming. And we are going to be doing yoga amongst the dinosaurs. This is an exciting place. The dinosaurs in here, the skeletons are just absolutely phenomenal. And this place is such a neat place. We just got through doing a podcast for Where Am I to Go? And now I'm going to do a yoga shoot here. And hopefully you guys enjoy and get to see the dinosaurs and this ought to be fun. Let's start off by, I think we'll go ahead and do some work on the ground, make the dinosaurs look bigger. Let's go ahead and come into ourselves. Let's take 5 deep breaths, relax, and just get ready to lose all of our stresses and be able to breathe and concentrate on just stretching. So let's take 5 deep breaths. Inhale big. Exhale big. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Let's bring the arms back up above our head. Let's drop that right hand behind. And if you can put a little bit of pressure on your elbow, that would be good. If not, just do what you can. This is yoga where you're at. Follow your limitations and only do what you can do. Okay, bring that arm up. Bring your left arm back. Stretch out that arm. Okay, bring your arms back up above your head. Bring them down. Bring your right arm out in front of you. Cross it on over and catch it with your left. And stretch that arm. Bring it on across. Release. Bring the left arm up and bring it on across. Catch it with the right arm. Pull it on in. Stretch. Okay, let's bring our arms, invert your wrists, push your hands out in front, your back straight. Take a couple breaths here. Go ahead and push your neck down and stretch with your back rounded. Bring it on up. Then go ahead and bring your hands behind your head, interlock your fingers, and let's twist. Exhale. Inhale back. Exhale. Inhale back. Okay. Let's keep our hands back behind our head. Let's do some sitting cat-cows. Arch your back as much as you can. Exhale, round like a cow. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat.
Chairman, and the board chairman. You're still welcome to join us.
Okay, let's bring our left leg back behind. Leave the right leg straight. Put your left hand on your right knee. Come back into the twist. Fold over your right knee. I usually grab on so I can pull a little bit more stretch. You can put your hands out. That works good too. Take a few breaths here. Let's go ahead and swap legs. Do the same thing. Right hand to the left knee, left hand behind. Turn and look over that left shoulder and twist. Again, only do what you can do. Don't go to the point that you hurt yourself. Stretch as much as you can. Hold over that left knee. Let's come to our knees. Let's stretch out that right leg and your left arm to full body extension. Bring it down. Do the other side, left leg back. You're pushing through and you're stretching as much as you can. Wanting to feel the stretch. You're not just sitting here. And let's thread the needle. Bring that left arm underneath, the right arm forward. We'll do 2 breaths. Then we'll bring that right arm back. Do a twist again. Come on up. Bring the right arm underneath. Stretch that left arm out. Ear to the floor if you can get it there. Then bring that arm back behind. Go ahead and push on back up. Let's go ahead and come into plank. Hold that. Drop the knees down and bring the hips to the ground. Try and touch your head back to your feet. I'm missing by a long shot. Do what you can. Come on back into child's pose. Move that back the other direction. Let's go ahead and come on down onto our backs. Do some windshield wipers. Inhale up. Exhale down. Exhale down. Let's bring the legs up the invisible wall. Get them as straight as what you possibly can. Just hold it here, back flat on the ground. Drop your legs open. Get them as wide as what you can. Back together, drop that left leg on the right leg in and give it a hug. Put your hand on your knee and rotate that hip. Bring your legs back on up. Drop that right leg. Then what did I do? Gave it a hug.
Rotate your knee.
Give your leg a hug. Pull it on in as tight as what you can. Go ahead and move your hips around. Do some hip circles with that leg. Cross your legs. Do 3 spinal rocks. I'm just sitting. We will call that good for today. Again, we're at the Wyoming Dinosaur Center in Thermopolis, Wyoming. It is a world-class dinosaur fossil display. I would strongly encourage everybody to come see this. Bring your kids, your grandkids. It's a totally fascinating place. You can't help but be fascinated by what you see and what they've managed to display here. I thank you all for watching, and I hope you all have an awesome day.